How to fix Chromebook black screen, it won't turn on. In this video, I'm going to show you two different methods that'll hopefully fix your Chromebook having a black display, even though that you know it's on or you can't get it to turn on. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first and easiest way to fix this is going to be to simply see if the brightness is turned all the way down. So these two buttons here control the brightness, and you want to select the one that has the bigger icon. And if you do that and just keep pressing it, the display might turn on. It might have just been that the display was turned down in brightness all the way until it turned off. So you just want to turn it all the way up so you can see it. And hopefully that fixes your issue. Now, if it didn't fix your issue, don't worry. There's another thing we can do, and that's just going to be a hard reset. This doesn't affect the files. It just forces the Chromebook to turn off and then turn back on. And usually that fixes this. So what we're going to do is we're going to find this little refresh button at the top of the keyboard and then find your power button. So for me, the power button is in the top left. Now what we need to do is hold down both of those buttons for around 10 seconds. So I'm going to press them at the same time and just hold them down for 10 seconds. Once you've waited 10 seconds, you can let go. What I recommend doing is closing your Chromebook and waiting around 3 to 4 seconds and then just opening it back up, and it should turn back on automatically. So give it around 10 seconds. It should turn back on and start booting up. It may take a little bit longer because we did the hard reset, just it cleared some cache. So give it some time. If it doesn't turn back on automatically after like 10, 15, maybe 20 seconds, just go ahead and hold down the power button for around 2 to 3 seconds and just give it some time to turn back on. As you can see, mine just turned back on after tapping the power button. And now we have fixed that black screen issue and I can log back into it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.